Imagine you have a super messy, scribbled up piece of paper. You can't see anything on it, just static. Now imagine slowly erasing the mess little bit by little bit until a clean drawing appears underneath. That's diffusion. AI music works the same way, but with sound. The computer starts with pure noise, like TV static, but for your ears. Then, step by step, it erases the noise. Each pass cleans it up a little more. Drums sharpen, melodies appear, a beat shows up, a voice, a whole song pulled out of static like a sculpture out of a block of marble. The AI learned how to do this by listening to millions of real songs. So when it cleans the static, it knows what music is supposed to sound like. That's it. AI music isn't magic, it's just really, really good erasing.